Welcome to Startup Hack. I'm Spencer Thomason, and here at Startup Hack, we love to train software developers in our licensed coding boot camps, as well as to build custom software solutions. I do have a lot of work as a fractional CTO. With over a decade of executive leadership and a solid 25 years in software development, I've mastered the art of transforming technology teams and products. Today, we're shifting gears to discuss a critical aspect of startup success that many founders, myself included, have learned the hard way: the absolute necessity of focusing on sales. Now, reflecting on decades as a startup founder and owner, and my journey founding 3 software companies, it's clear that a great product alone isn't enough. Let's explore 4 pivotal steps to becoming a sales-focused founder and why it's crucial for scaling your business. As always, make sure to like and subscribe. So let's discuss a critical aspect of startup success that many founders, including myself, have had to learn the hard way. Now, this is the absolute necessity of focusing on sales. It's clear that a great product alone isn't enough. We need to talk about 4 pivotal steps to becoming a sales-focused founder and why it's crucial for scaling your business. Step 1, accept that sales actually matter. Initially, as an engineer, I underestimated the value of sales, viewing it through stereotypes rather than as a competitive advantage. My first startup's journey taught me that sales are as crucial as product development. Realizing this, I dedicated myself to mastering sales, understanding that if a product isn't selling, its engineering brilliance goes unrecognized. Step 2, building your sales machine. Understanding your product's value to customers is the foundation of building an effective sales machine. In my first company, identifying our software ability to prevent IT disasters clarified our sales message. We applied a methodical approach to determine our sales targets, required leads, and the size of the sales team, ultimately focusing on hiring, training, and aligning sales goals with company objectives. Step 3, relentlessly focusing on people and champions. Sales is fundamentally about relationships. Despite the analytics and strategies, spending time with prospects and customers have been invaluable feedback for finding champions within organizations. These champions who advocate for your product internally are essentially navigating complex sales landscapes, especially in large corporations. Step 4, remove surprises from the sales process. The B2B sales cycle can be lengthy and full of potential pitfalls. To mitigate surprises, it's critical to engage with real decision makers from the start, understanding their needs deeply and anticipate competitors' moves. So, looking back, transitioning from a product-focused engineering team to a sales-savvy founder wasn't easy, but it was necessary. Sales is not a side task, it's a core component of your business strategy. The journey from skepticism to embracing sales has been transformative, not just for my businesses, but for me personally. Now, what are your thoughts? Do you agree? Do you disagree? I love having a great discussion, so make sure to leave a comment down below. Make sure to like and subscribe. Here at Startup Hack, we love training software developers in our licensed coding boot camps, as well as to build custom software solutions. So reach out because we'd love to help. Hit the links down below or check out startuphack.com today.